I love it. It's nothing's ever the same. No day's ever the same. But the type of things that I get to do at Ocado, I doubt in the 3 years that I've been product development manager, I doubt if I'd get to have done the breadth of challenging tasks that I've been given at Ocado in 10 years in another company. So it's been really great.
What keeps me here is that every day is always very different. I really don't know what my day's going to look like. You look on your calendar and you think, okay, I believe I know what this day is going to turn out like, but it's always different. It really is. And every week and every month just provides more and more challenges. It opens me up to a whole range of different challenges, which I never expected when I joined.
I think it's exciting. It's technology. It's being busy. And really, you got to think of all these being put together every day. There are meetings, and through these meetings, you actually gain a lot. It's not just wasted meetings. And then you got to go back to your desk and start conceiving products, right? You got to build concept, conceive them into products, and then implement them. So that's a big challenge for any design engineer, to see the products which are designed and they are rolled out into manufacturing. So I think it's the most exciting thing. And these are not simple products. We're looking at taking up all the technologies we have incubated in the past or external technologies and then bringing them into products which you can touch and feel. And they're all smart because they've come together and there is logic built into it.
I think it's the innovation and the willingness of Ocado, I think, to invest in that. And to jump in with both feet, I think. There's certainly no holding back when it comes to ideas for new developments.
It's incredibly exciting because we've got this blend of people who have been here a long time, who understand how Ocado works and they understand how the business works in terms of what we're trying to deliver to our customers. But then at the same time, our customer base has changed somewhat because now we're providing the rest of Ocado with the tools it needs to grow. And in order to do that, we need to bring in some external expertise for people who have been developing in the fields that we're exploring into. So that may be in hardware development, some of that's going to be in electrical, some of it will be mechanical, and some of it's going to be stuff that actually we're trying to get ahead of what Ocado wants to develop. So we're into all sorts of new engineering disciplines.
One thing that's really important in Ocado and within our team is the development of those people and the growth of those engineers. We really are, I'm personally very passionate about the developing and the growing of our team and our capabilities, and we've recruited some brilliant people over the last year who have also started imparting that knowledge and training internally, and we've got some external training courses coming up for people as well.
Ocado is a very exciting place to be. There's a very high pace in development and the direction of the business, and that translates into my team, which has grown from one person 3 years ago to we're now at 45 people, and my target is to grow to 50. And we've grown the capabilities within the team from reliability, safety, new product introduction, design. These are all growing new teams, and with that you will get the opportunity to work closely with experts in their field, subject matter experts, people with vast experience in diverse industries, to get on the journey to deliver Ocado's future technologies, and it's a rapidly developing business, so our direction changes and the pull from the business changes, and that is very exciting but equally challenging. And I'm sure that people need to understand that there's a view of the logistics industry as cranes and conveyors, but we're doing far more than that. It's exciting. We're at the forefront of technology development, and we're at the forefront of best practice and methodology.